that is a motorhome.
And then they developed that area but left that old structure. Maybe it's a storage unit for old equipment or food.
The name of the park is Parco Tre Castagni. So there is this direction and this direction. Quite a big piece of land or park to explore, but I don't know which direction to choose now. However, this is the map. So we've been walking to come and check out this park, as we've already read, Parco Tre Castagni. So, hello guys, I hope you're well. I'm Lillian and thank you for tuning in yet another video. I've been filming on and off in this holiday. Sometimes I'm not sure if I'm gonna join maybe 3 days together or 2 or 1, so I don't know if I should say an intro or not to say it, because I've already imagined I have to join the clips. So we've been undecided on which direction to take, and we've chosen to take the right. Hopefully we will get to see some amazing things. We are in our 3rd day in Pergine. Today has been raining the whole day, nearly the whole day. It started to rain in the night through until 2 p.m. That's when it stopped. Even yesterday it rained the entire afternoon, so we had nothing much to see. But however, as you can already tell or know if you've been watching my previous videos, and if you're new, I love nature so much. I go into the city to see also how it is, but most of the time I spend it seeing nature, because nature is peace, is calmness, is serenity. Serenity is a broad word, but don't you see that beauty? It's beautiful. We are walking along this path, which gives views of the mountain, which I haven't figured what name it is yet. And this is behind us. Beautiful organization. This is probably some kind of factory. I don't know what they produce. If I figure out, maybe I'll add it in on the subtitles. We are climbing, and the higher we go, the better the views. So there's also this route that goes this way, and we are still on this one. We are deciding to continue on this one. Look, so cool. The ambience is really beautiful to look at and be in. In fact, there's another street down there. I don't know what to say most of the times, because it's just walking about, and I wanted to share some information that I've been given. The bells are ringing. It's exactly 6 p.m. in the evening. So this city, Pergine, is the 3rd largest city of the province of Trento. Trento is the 1st largest city, then Rovereto. I don't know if you've heard of them. If you have, and they're all in the region of Trentino. So Italy is divided in mainly region, then from region to provinces, then below as you go on. Yeah. Look, the mountain behind me. It is just so refreshing to be out here. I mean, you think about nothing besides appreciating nature, appreciating the coolness, you know, the oxygen, the air breathed here is just so fresh, you feel it. And they did a very good thing to pave ways for people to relax their minds and walk through. As I said, this region has done its best for the population's mental well-being. Let's continue walking. Another route is just down there. These people here are lucky. They stay in a very green environment. Wow. This is like a sitting space to sit and relax. Look at the trees, probably hear some birds chirping. I think you can also go up there. Look at these beautiful trees, large trees. And the many beautiful flowers. Use a chapel. Oh yeah. Those people passed by us and they're up high. Yeah. Wow. You can see more trails because that is a guardrail. That one there. Another bench to just sit and relax. Wow, very beautiful. I wonder how many acres this is, probably hectares. Because look, there's that walkway and still this walkway. I don't know if it's walkway or trails. Trails, I think. And then up here, a prayer area. A portrait of Virgin Mary in there. These flowers are coming in various colors. This color, these are so bright. Then there is a bit green, a bit red, a bit blue, a bit purple. Beautiful. I actually don't know what to say in this video other than to show you about ooh, wow. See how many trails there are here. It's like a junction of roads, of trails. Actually don't know the very terminology to use here, but I think it's trails, so they are evolved trails, not small ones. This one, that one, the other one, really nice. We've been walking for a while now, and it's like an ending walk in the forest. It's almost 15 minutes to 7, and I'm taking in all the fresh air, appreciating all these green trees. It's a beautiful feeling. I'm in the jungle, but there is some light. I think it continues over there. This is another section of the park. It's really big, really big. You get to see the city. I think Pergine. These people bypassed us. And then someone lives over there in his peaceful world. Okay. There is this kind of art piece made out of wood. Looks like a crocodile. I should walk there and see. Okay, let's go down. Here's like a playing space for bicycles. I feel I have the imagination, but I don't know exactly what I want to say. But if you can see it, you can imagine maybe bikes go like this and come down. But the level here is not as perfect, but there is okay. Another bell is ringing. It is 7, exactly 7. We are about to maybe 2 kilometers away from our Airbnb apartment. A little more than 2 kilometers because we've been walking for a while. In my previous video, when we took the natural walk along the lake of Levico, I was so disappointed that we never got to find the end. We were this close. We were probably left like 1 kilometer out of 4.7 kilometers. Can you imagine walking and you don't finish? There's always satisfaction in accomplishment or something, and I always like to accomplish. So I'm approaching this creativity to see it. I feel like this video has been about me walking. Sometimes I don't know what to do. The place is here. It's cute. Let me show you. This is it. And it has a very long tail. I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's not a crocodile. What is this? Comment down below what you think this is, because I don't know what they were trying to do. A dragon? Look, its tail. And this is the environment. All public space. Imagine this near you, back home, to be a great thing. The animal is behind me. So I just wanted to sign out of this video. There is actually a lot to see, but again, you can't capture so much most of the time. However, I want to thank you so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I truly appreciate each one of you watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and I want to do a shout out for the first time. Thank you so much for always watching, supporting me at Inevitable. I don't know your real name, but that is your YouTube channel name. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a chill vlog out here in the nature. So thank you so much again. See you in my next one. God bless you. Ciao ciao. With the animal behind me. So there is this little house. I don't know what it is symbolizing. However, maybe it's the elf's house. I'm not sure if this is the character, the elf. Probably some people know.
As we continued on the route on our way back to the Airbnb, there were lots of art pieces like wood and stone carvings that we found, which were quite impressive to see.
Some of the little art pieces or monuments, stone ones. There's also this one. Maybe it's a horse stable, something like this, because look at this. So many stone art pieces. Yeah, stone. There's also this one. Actually, someone has been carved out. Probably this is the flag of, yeah, Palestine. Free Palestine. And then this is a family of animals in form of stone. This looks maybe like a sheep. Maybe this is a pig. Sheep as well over there. This one looks like a sheep. The creativity is good. Okay, there are some notes. I've been seeing some notes, but they're all in Italian. Oh, it's not a wild cat. It's a home cat. Oh. Ow. I thought it's a wild cat. Bye. Cute cat. So many art pieces in this park. I didn't imagine that we would get back to the point where we started from. The route we took us all around the park up to the point where we started. There are several there were several routes within the park, but we didn't take all of them.